Hello there again, my gluten-free frenzy folks. So awesome to see you in the PmP Kitchen. Today we are doing another restaurant quality meal. We're taking a Cajun Chicken Pasta. I am sure you've seen this on menus everywhere, and it's yummy in the tummy. But this one's gluten-free. Here is the guide for reference. As you can see, again, just a lot of mixing of ingredients, not a lot of torture of cooking. So you will need some spices for your rub for your chicken. So this is what we will be using. To give you an idea, grab your cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, oregano, thyme leaves, and salt and pepper. All right, now I use a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but you may use half, 1/8 teaspoon if you are sensitive to spicy foods. A 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, now for the sauce, you will need 1 10-ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, 1 14.5-ounce cans of regular diced tomatoes, 2 cups of chicken broth, grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 bunch of green onions. You will chop those up, and you'll want to have about 1 cup of chopped green onions, and also 1 yellow onion, and you will just simply chop that up as well. All right, main ingredient, chicken, 1 pound chicken breast. I like to pound that out so it's nice, flat, and even, because we are going to cut that up into 1/2 inch cubes or pieces. So it's nice to have it flat so you get an even cut. Then you want to take that chicken and add it to a bowl with all those spices. Then mix and coat that chicken up extremely well. And let's heat up that butter and oil in a medium-sized pot on medium heat. And heat that butter until it's nice and frothy, but not browned. Let's add that chicken and spices to the pot, and we are going to cook it until the chicken is browned on all sides. The chicken does not need to be cooked totally through at this time. It will continue cooking as we make the sauce, but please do brown it on the sides. All right, let's add your yellow onion to the pot. Mix that together well and cook for about another 2 minutes. Let's make the sauce. Add your chicken broth, diced tomatoes, and fire roasted tomatoes to the pot and bring that to a nice boil. Once it is boiling, let's bring it back down to a simmer and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until that sauce begins to thicken a little bit and cook down. Then you are going to slowly add your cream cheese. It may help if you want to break that cream cheese into some chunks and throw it in there for some easier mixing. All right, let's add your Parmesan cheese. Like I said, 1/4 to a 1/2 cup, whatever your preference is, and add your green onion. Let's mix that together very well, and then we are going to set the heat down to low and let that simmer and cook down while the sauce thickens up. But be sure don't burn it. Stir it frequently. On to the noodles. All right, I am making zucchini noodles for this pasta because I love them so much better than any other noodle. I do have a zucchini noodle video. Refer to that if you would like to make these zucchini noodles, or you may just grab your own choice of gluten-free noodles from your grocers. Barilla makes awesome gluten-free pasta choices. This brand is from Aldi's. All right, once that sauce is done cooking down, go ahead and serve it on top of your noodles. Again, I use the zucchini noodles, and look at how yummy that looks. It is so flavorful. I love this pasta, and I hope you do too. All right, guys, if you love this recipe and would like many more, follow, like, subscribe, invite your friends, family, anybody who is looking for gluten-free recipe ideas in the PmP Kitchen. See you next time.